Hi, Jackie Matthews here with Adventure World Travel. John and I are in the gorgeous city of Prague. It's December 2nd and we're at the Christmas markets. So we're having a delightful time and we're going to give you several important pro tips next time you come to the Christmas markets in Europe. They're absolutely magical. You're going to love it.
As Jackie mentioned, we started our tour in Prague, and you can see this is one of the Christmas markets that's just beautifully decorated with the gorgeous tree in front of the church. And nearly all of the cities have multiple Christmas markets. So we recommend that you work with a tour guide that we can arrange for you, or ask a local and they can give you directions to the best Christmas markets. You can see how beautiful it is, especially at night, and they have tons of crafts to sell. From here, we flew to Munich to board a Christmas markets cruise along the Danube. And we started our cruise in Passau, Germany. Here you can see the Christmas market, one of the Christmas markets in Passau during the day. You can see all the food and crafts that they have for sale. They also have beverages and things to eat, which are just delicious. Two of the favorites are hot chocolate, which their hot chocolate is really thick. It's practically melted chocolate. And Glühwein, which is hot mulled wine, which is also delicious on a December day. This is one of the Christmas markets in Linz, Austria, and this one you had to pay admission to enter, but it also included a cup of hot chocolate or Glühwein. So you can see it's less crowded and just beautifully decorated with all the Christmas trees lit and the Christmas decorations hanging from the trees. This particular location is a beer garden during the summertime, so you can see how gorgeous it is. So don't be afraid to try a few Christmas markets that you might actually have to pay admission for. Most are free, but occasionally it's worth trying something a little bit different. I mentioned some of the delicious foods that are available in the Christmas markets earlier, and these are chimney cakes. You can see they're roasting over a bed of coals and rotating as they cook. The dough is wrapped around these round poles, and when it's done, it comes off, and they have various toppings you can put on them, and they're hot and warm and delicious. So I highly recommend that you try a chimney cake when you're at the Christmas markets. This is another one of the Christmas markets in Linz, Austria, and you can see the dozens of booths with all of the vendors selling their wares. They have all sorts of items, everything you can imagine, from handcrafted items to store-bought items. Not all vendors take credit cards, so we recommend that you have some cash with you so that you can buy the purchases that you want. And in some cases, you can pay to have the items wrapped and shipped home for you, so you don't have to carry them. This is the main Christmas market in Vienna, Austria, and you can see it's gorgeous. But it was a Saturday night. You can also see how crowded it is. So just keep that in mind as Christmas approaches on the weekends. The Christmas markets get very crowded, so don't be surprised. And we recommend that you plan accordingly and maybe visit the market earlier in the day when there's fewer people. This is one of the Christmas markets in Bratislava, Slovak Republic. And you can see it's also beautiful. They had several Christmas markets, one of which was up in the castle on top of the hill, and it had a medieval theme, which was very fun and very unique. And Bratislava is a beautiful little city and very fun to visit, so enjoy while you're there.
Hi, come with us tonight. We're in the beautiful Christmas markets in Budapest, Hungary.
As Jackie mentioned, we ended our Danube River cruise in Budapest, which has some of the best Christmas markets along the river. And this is the main Christmas market. You can see it's beautifully decorated with a gorgeous Christmas tree and all the different vendors and food options and beverages. And they have these chalets for people to rent or sponsor so that they can enjoy the Christmas market in warmth. And then they also play Christmas music, which you can hear in the background. In addition, on St. Stephen's Basilica, which you can see in the background, they do 3D projections starting at 4:30 and repeating every half hour after that. You can see it in the background. It's just amazing and a beautiful addition to a beautiful Christmas market.
So here we are at our last stop. We're in Munich at the largest Christmas markets in all of Munich. It's a Saturday, it's 11 days before Christmas, and as you can see, it's a very busy place here. And we both have our Glühwein. These are not both for me, one is for John. So I hope you enjoyed our tour of the European Christmas markets.
As Jackie mentioned, we ended our tour in Munich again after spending a few more days in Budapest. And Munich is also a beautiful city and very fun place to visit and has several gorgeous Christmas markets as well. All the Christmas markets are unique and very fun in their own way and unique to the country and culture where they are located. So When you're ready to book your Christmas markets cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.